Samhita, Brahma Samhita, Brahma has he told, telling Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavita bhi Stabhir eva nija rupa kalataya bhi. Yeah. So they are Sakhi, they are not different to Srimati Radharani. Yesterday you heard when Krishna, when he is in the Vrindavan under this Kalpat desired tree and this Ras Mandal. Yeah. Now Krishna he want doing perform this Rasa Lila. Yeah. But without Krishna alone he cannot perform this Rasa Lila. Yeah. So Krishna he want to become two. When he become two, then all demigoddess is there. Now they are saw Krishna's left side start to shaking, start to shaking. Then one very beautiful, very teenage, very beautiful one girl, she is the manifested from Krishna's left side. Yeah. And she is the manifested from this Rasa Lila, so her name is the Ra. Yeah. And when she manifested, pick up very nice flower. Now you want to worship to Lord Krishna, then he run to Krishna. So this is the Sanskrit word telling Dhabita. Dhabita meaning run. So her name is the Radha. Now there are two. Before only one, now he became two. When two, then when two also, yeah, they are doing ras pastime, but बहुत सखी बिना नहे रसेर उल्लास. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami told, without many gopis, not possible ras is manifested there. Then Radharani, she many way she want fulfill to Krishna's desire. She many way Radharani she want give to pleasure to Krishna. Now Radharani one mood now take the one form of this gopis. Yeah. So the Lalita. What is the Lalita? What is the meaning of Lalita? What is the Lalita? What tell English? Lalita meaning is the very beautiful, Lalita meaning Lalita, very beautiful. Yeah. This Krishna so Lalita also, Lalita also beautiful. Which nature is the very sweet nature, very beautiful nature. Which the look like very beautiful. So our India so Lalita meaning very effulgence, very good, look like very beautiful. Yeah. So this Radharani, Radharani she take the form of the Lalita. Yeah. Then she take the Tunga Vidya. What is the meaning of Tunga Vidya? What is Tunga Vidya English? Huh? What is Tunga Vidya Maharaj?
One is most exalted knowledge.
Yeah, one the most exalted knowledge. Radharani, now she is the take the one the form of Tunga Vidya. Chitra. Yeah. What is the Chitra? Chitra meaning decoration.
I've done it. Okay.
Chitra meaning, Chitra meaning who is the very nice art. So Radharani's art, inside they take the one form of Chitra. So like this Krishna Radharani, she want many way, she want fulfill to Krishna's desire. Many ways she want to serve to Lord Krishna. Now she is the manifested so many forms of gopis. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Labang Manjari, Vilas Manjari. Yeah. Now Radharani. So her name is the Radha. Yeah. What is the meaning of Radha? Radha meaning many meaning of Radha. Many before you heard so many meaning of Radha. Yeah. One meaning is the Radha. When Krishna he left this Rasa Lila, when all Sakhis, Krishna take to Radharani, he left that place. When all Sakhis they are found where is the Krishna. Then when he saw Krishna's footprint, then he saw this between very beautiful, very small one lady's footprint is there. Yeah? Lady's footprint there. Then Sukadeva Goswami telling Anayaradhitanunam Bhagavan Hari Riswara. This gopi, this gopi is the among the all gopis is the topmost gopi, among the all gopis. Yeah, Anaya Radhita Nunam. meaning she is the doing topmost serve to Krishna. Topmost serve to Krishna. So Krishna he left all gopis and take only one gopi. Who is the she? She is the Radha Rani. Bola Sri Radha Rani ki. So there Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur gave commentary. Vishwanath Chakravarti he gave commentary. But this slok is the, this slok is the Jai Ghosh. What telling Jai Ghosh? Jai Ghosh.
Declaration of glory.
Yeah, this is the Jai Ghosh. This Jai Ghosh meaning when somebody glories or Radha Rani ki Jai. This word give this is Jai, Jai, I don't know how telling your language, meaning topmost of glories, The Sukdev Goswami, when he saw, Vishwanath, when he saw, oh, Chandravali, she always think, oh, I am the topmost gopi, always Krishna. Another different gopi, different mood. Oh, Krishna doing so much love to me. All gopis thinking like this. Now this Sukdev Goswami now he declared, you are even this Rasalila, all gopis is there. Even all gopis is there. But Krishna he left to all gopis. But he took whom? With alone. He took with Srimati Radha Rani. She just left all gopis. So this slok is the Srimad Bhagavat, Vishwanath Chakravarti, this topmost glories of Srimati Radha Rani, topmost glories of Radha Rani. Radha Rani is the topmost gopis among the all gopis. Yeah. So telling say Radha Rani, she want many way to serve Lord Krishna, so she's taking the many different form. Yeah. So many gopis. Beautiful. But when there is some creeper, then he is the more beautiful. Yeah, the tree is the more beautiful. But when some leaf, when there is some leaf, then he is the more beautiful. But when there is some flower and some manjari, then some flower and some manjari, then it is the more beautiful. Yeah, like this, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami he told. What is this gopis? Gopis like this, like this leaf, Gopis they are like this leaf. Krishna is more beautiful, Radha is more beautiful, but when he is with all Braj gopis, Krishna is the more beautiful Krishna. So like this Lalita, so Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami tell this Chaitanya Charitamrita, kad bahu kanta bina nahe Rase Ulhas. You know this payat? Oh. Bahu Kanta Binu Nahe Rase. What is the meaning? Tell it.
Without many beloveds, there is no such exaltation, jubilation in the forms of Rasa.
Understand? Yeah, understand.
Without so many beloveds of Krishna, there is not so much exaltation, jubilation in performance of ras or tasting. The nature of the Sakhis is it's unspeakable, ununderstandable story. It cannot be understood or cannot be spoken.
Understand? But you don't understand. Mardi, your English how can it? Sakhira Swabhav ek akatya katana, meaning nature of this Braj gopis, yeah, very surprised, their nature of this gopis, very surprised thing. What is this nature of this gopis? Telling the gopi of nature of this gopis, they are want me to Krishna, they never want to meet with Krishna. What they are want? They are always they are try to how the Radha Krishna they are meet. How our Radha Rani she can meet with Krishna. They are always arranged to how Radha Krishna can meet together. This is the nature of this Braj Gopi. But telling when they are try to arrange Radha Krishna they are together meet. But that time when himself they are meet, what kind of they are blissful pleasure when they are Radha Krishna they are try to Radha Krishna meet, then they are got to more pleasure, more pleasure they are got. So now telling this is Lalita, here Sri Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is the, you are everybody line of Lalita Sakhi. Visakha line different, and different Sakhi's line also different line. But you are coming to line of who is Sakhi? You are line of Lalita Sakhi. You are guidance of Sri Lalita Sakhi. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this Kirtan, Sri Radha Krishna Pada Kamale Mana Ke Manila Bhipe Charama Sarana. This Kirtan, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he explained this Kirtan, they are telling Lalita Sakhira Ajogya Kinkari Binodha Dhari Chepai. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur tells this on identification. Who am I? Lalita Sakhira Ajogya Kinkari. I am is the
unworthy.
Unworthy. Sakhiya Lalita Sundari. Are you understand? Yeah? I don't know English, Yeah. I am not Lalita Sakhira Ajogya Kinkari. I am the Kinkari of this Lalita Sakhi. I have no any qualification here. I have no any qualification. So you are kept, our line is this Bhakti Vinod Dhara. You are line of this Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Our Dhara, our line is the Sri Bhakti Vinod Thakur. This Kamala Manjari, line of this Kamala Manjari. Then is the Naina Mani Manjari, Prabhupada. Then is the Vinod Manjari. Then is the Raman Manjari. So you are came to a line of Sri Bhakti Vinod Thakur. So here Sri Bhakti Vinod Thakur, here written some kirtan. He telling what is the glory of Sri Lalita Sakhi. Yeah. If you are the guidance of the Lalita Sakhi, then what is the glories? So here two kirtan Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he written two kirtan, he written here. One kirtan is the Hena Kale Kabe Vilasa Manjari Ananga Manjariyar Amar Heriya Ati Kripa Kari Balibe Bachana Sara Esa Sakhi Lali Sri Lalita Gane Janib to Mare Aaj Griha Katha Chhadi Radha Krishna Bhaja Tejiya Dharam Laj. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur has told here when coming that time. Well, what time? Once this Vilasa Manjari is the who? She is the Jiva Goswami, the Vilasa Manjari, Mahaprabhu pastime, and is the Ananga Manjari. Who is the Mahaprabhu pastime Ananga Manjari? Who? Who is Ananga Manjari, Mahaprabhu pastime? Huh? Some Janava Devi also sometimes telling the Gopal Bhattu Goswami they are also something there, So they are telling when coming at that time, this two Manjari, when they are saw to me, they are telling, oh, come here. Why they are calling to come here? When they are understand that person is the line of Lalita Sakhi, line of Lalita Sakhi, then they are calling, come here, come to here. Why? You are line of Sri Lalita Sakhi line. So ये दुहार श्री चरणे आश्रय लय दुए कृपा कर लय ललिता स्थाने. Then they are telling very sweet pastime to us, telling they are telling so sweet word to me and calling come to here and take to where they take to me this Lalita Sakhi. Yeah. Then Lalita Sakhi, what are you doing? What is she doing, Lalita Sakhi? Then Lalita Sundari Sada Haya Karibe Amare Dasi. Then Radha Lalita Sakhi very kindly he became to me. This is the Dasi, kept the position of Radharani service. Sokunjo Kutire Dibena Basati Jani Seva Abhilasi. Then Lalita Sakhi, his own kutir, meaning own place. What tell you, one kutir? Own place. Lalita Sakhi gave to place to me. He can stay here and the guidance of this Rupa Manjari, he can do service to this Radha Krishna. So if somebody, Bhakti Thakur told, if somebody come the line of Lalita Sakhi, then he can achieve the Radha Krishna service. Without Lalita Sakhi, very difficult to somebody get the service of this is the Radha Krishna. And here another kirtan also, Palyadasi Kari Lalita Sundari Amare Laiya Kave Sri Radhika Pade Kale Milaibe Agya Seva Samarpibe. Take the Palyadasi Kari Lalita Sundari Amare Laiya Kave. He telling when coming that day where this Sri Lalita Sakhi, Lalita Sakhi sees the accept to me, yeah, and he make to me own dasi, palya dasi. I don't know what telling you, palya dasi.
And protection. Means power means protect, and palya means we would consider like someone to be protected by Srimati Radharani.
And then Lalita Sakhi take to me Radha Rani, yeah, take to me Radha Rani. He met with me Radha Rani. Plus Sri Rupa Manjari Sange Jabo Kabe Rasa Seva Sikha Tare. Then Rupa Manjari, if you are take the shelter of Rupa Manjari, then Rupa Manjari, what is he doing? Well, if some guidance of this Rupa Manjari, then telling the Sri Rupa Manjari Sange Jabo Kabe Rasa Seva Sikha Devi. This meaning Rupa Manjari, she teach to us, this is Rasa Seva. Yeah. Not only Seva, there are some Rasa Seva. What tell your language? He gave to teach to us some Rasa Seva. What telling your language? I don't know. Rasa Seva, what telling? This is the Seva, but there are some Ras. Like this, when you are guidance of this Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari, then you can completely enter this Radha Krishna, this sweet pastime. You are completely enter this Krishna's sweet pastime there. And Tadanuga Hoye Radha Kunda Tate Rahiva Harsita Tare. But when somebody take the shelter of this Rupa Manjari, Lalita Sakhi, then you can get place of Radha Kunda, Syam Kunda. Radha Kunda, Syam Kunda, Radha Kunda, anybody cannot enter this Radha Kunda. Only who is the Radha Rani Sakhi, Sopakya Sakhi, guidance of Srimati Radha Rani, they can only enter this Radha Kunda. They start Vipakya. What tell you Vipakya? That Sakhi they can not allow in Radha Kunda. So only Rupa Manjari, Lalita Sakhi guidance, then somebody enter this Radha Kunda, Syam Kunda. Without anybody cannot enter there. Then telling Visakha Sakhi, if somebody takes shelter of Visakha Sakhi, then telling Visakha Sakhi, he teach to very nice melody, Sangita. She can teach to us very nice Sangita. Kate Rati Manjari, Rasa Manjari, Hoive Sabe Sadaya. But when we take the shelter of Lalita Sakhi, then Rati Manjari and also Sri Rasa Manjari, they are also give to some place to us. Yeah? They are blessed to us. That Parama Anande Sakale Milya Radhika Charne Rava Ei Parakashta Siddhi Kabhabe Pabo Radha Padasava. This is the hope of Sri Bhakti Vinod Thakur. Telling what is the hope of Bhakti Vinod Thakur? He's telling, my hope is that when coming that day, which day you are take the shelter of all this Rasa Manjari, Vilasa Manjari, Ananga Manjari, and guidance of Rupa Manjari and Lalita Manjari, Sakhi, then you can doing service of this Radha Krishna service in Radha Kunda. That is the hope hour. This is the hope of this hour. This is the Bhaktivinoda Thakur. This is the tell this thing the Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Yeah. But this thing is the very high thing. This thing is the that you are listening to this thing, but this thing is not ordinary thing. This is not an ordinary thing. This is a very high class of thing. But necessary now you are complete anartha. Our heart is the complete so many dirty our heart, so many anarthas. So my Gurudev told always you try anyhow one life guidance of Guru and Vaishnavas, spend only one life, the spiritual life. If coming any problem in your life, you never you left this spiritual life. Always try one life, spend this spiritual life, guidance of Guru and Vaishnavas. Maybe then, mercy of slowly when maybe Sukriti becomes some pushta, Sukriti become matured, then maybe once mercy of Gurudev, yeah, mercy of all Manjari, Sakhis, he can get service of this Radha Krishna. But this thing is the very this is the Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling this is our aim and object is the Lalita, take Lalita, this this Mata, this mother. What is the mother of Lalita Sakhi? Anybody know? Lalita Sakhi's mother? What is the mother? Telling her name is the Sarada. Yeah? Sarada. Telling what is the father of Lalita? Yeah? What is the father of Lalita? His name is the what? Anybody know? Father of Lalita? Name is the Biswaka. Biswaka. Biswaka meaning, what are you telling to Biswaka Maharaj? What is his name?
Bhishmaka.
Biswaka. But who is not weeping? Always is the blissful. No Soka. Soka meaning sad. B meaning no. Who is the no sadness, always is the happiness. Her name is the Biswaka, meaning who is always is the happiness. And Sarada. Sarada, this is the Sarada meaning is this is the like Saraswati, like this Saraswati.
Sharon's arrow.
No, this is another thing. Telling Lalita colors, Lalita look like, how he look like? How Lalita look like? What is the color of Lalita? Huh? This is the cloth. Yeah, Gorachana. Gorachana. Yeah, Gorachana. Her color is the Gorachana. Gorachana is like the golden color, Her color is the golden color. But telling this Bastra, this is the Lalita's, this is the sari, this is the cloth color. How look like? Maybe you can saw down over there, down step there, Lalita, the Lalita picture is the this color. This is the cloth. This is the peacock feather. This sari everywhere is the peacock feather, peacock feather. Yeah. So what? Lalita Sakhi. Class is the peacock feather. Oh no. Once Radharani, see that take the form of a peacock. Where? Yeah, this is the Maurukuti. Barsana. Barsana Maurukuti. Once, yeah, once is the Radharani, see the take up form of peacock feather. Yeah, why? Why Radharani take the form of peacock feather? Why? Why Radharani took the form of peacock feather? Why? Yeah? Yeah, so they are. So she's Radharani is the one pleased to Krishna. She is the one pleased to Krishna. So Krishna when take the form of peacock, also Radharani also she also. Many?
Static.
This is telling Vidyut Varna, like this lightning, with color of lightning, This is the color of Kunja, is the lightning color, is Kunjas. Yeah. And Radharani, this Lalita Sakhi, what is her service? Lalita, she always to serve to Radha Krishna. What is her service?
She's decorating Kunja with flowers.
She is the always to serve Radha Krishna, telling, this is Tambulam Bhakta Lalita. Telling विशुद्ध खंडिता भाव का मूल स्रोत है प्रकृति छाया अपना निमित्त होता है राधा कृष्ण निर्दिष्ट मिलन विलम्ब होने पर उसमें सखियां विलम्ब होने पर सो ही टेलिंग भाव की मूल स्रोत है विशुद्ध खंडिता भाव की मूल स्रोत है अंडरस्टैंड इधर telling her mood, Lalita mood. What is the Lalita mood? Tell Visuddha Khandita. Visuddha Khandita meaning like this. Ye Radharani, she make nice kunja. Yeah? Now she make very nice kunja for Krishna. Krishna, he sent some message to with some Sakhi and Sakha. Oh, that time I can come to you, meet with you her. But Krishna he gave some fixed time, that time I am coming. But now Krishna did not come. Now Krishna he did not come this time. But between what happened, came to that coming to this is the what Sakhi. Chandravali Sakhi, some Chandravali Sakhi, the Chandravali Sakhi came by force. She take to Krishna this own kunja. Now Krishna he did not keep this. This is the fixed time. Now Radharani became so unhappy. But when Radharani became so unhappy, but Lalita Sakhi, he is the main Sakhi of Radharani. She is the arranging how Radha Krishna they are meet together. Always she is the arrange how Radha Krishna they are together with. This is the her work, But when Lalita she saw Radharani became so unhappy, very distraught. What? Very distraught, upset. She is very upset. Now Lalita Sakhi, when Sir Radharani became very upset, now she is very upset. My Swamini Radharani is so upset. This name is the Khandita. This name is the Khandita, meaning She always try to how Radha Krishna to meet together. I arranged to Radha Rani meet to see Krishna. So this is the mood of Radha. This is the Lalita. This is the mood. Visuddha Khandita. Telling this Radha Rani, they are Sakhis. How many kind of Sakhis? Radha Rani? How many kind of Sakhis Radha Rani? Huh? Yeah. There are 5 kind of Krishna's Sakhis. What name?
Paramagresh.
Yeah. They are Radha Ranis. They are 5 kind of Sakhis. They are. Yeah. 5 kind of Sakhis. The Sakhis, one is the Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, then Pran Prishta Sakhi, Priya Sakhi, Param Sakhi. There are 5 kind of Sakhis. But this is, they are Sakhis, they are telling this Lalita, this is the category of who is Sakhi. Yeah, Pran Prishta Sakhi. This is the Pran Prishta Sakhi. Lalita is the Pran Prishta Sakhi, is the Lalita. Telling, they are telling, naming who is Sakhi. They are telling this is the Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Priya Sakhi. Who is the Priya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi. Now here gave very one nice example. But my English is no so good. How can I explain? Here gave what is Sakhis, what they are doing, what they are doing Sakhis. They are here gave very one good example gave here. I try tell your help, your help. Here gave example Radha Rani. He gave example Radha Rani. She is the one is the Manas Sarovar. Is the point of this Manas Sarovar. Manas Sarovar? Manas Sarovar. I heard name of Manas Sarovar. Radha Rani is the prem of ocean, like this Manas Sarovar. Is the prem. Yeah? It is the prem of this oceans, Radha Rani. Manas Sarovar. He gave example like this, our heart. He gave example our heart. All blood, all nerve, they are joined to this heart, and coming there all blood. How telling your language?
It's okay.
There he gave, and through this heart, this all blood is the go to whole body. He go to this whole body, all the whole body. Like this, Radha Rani, she is the oceans of all ras. He is the like this one Manas Sarovar. This all Sakhis one stream, one stream. All Sakhis the one stream. So stream. So all ras came from to Srimati Radha Rani. All ras came from to Srimati Radha Rani. And what telling? I cannot explain my language. My English is not so good. I can tell Hindi, you can tell today? Yeah, he can. He gave example like this. This heart, all blood came to heart, and this blood go to whole body. What telling your language? I cannot explain. Like this, give example. Give example. Here give example. They are Sakhis. They are not different to Srimati Radha Rani. Sakhi, they are not different to Srimati Radha Rani. Radha Rani is the take the mool original rasa Radha Rani. This Sakhis, they are Sakhis, they are not different to Srimati Radha Rani. And Radha Rani not different to Radha Rani, but they came from to Srimati Radha Rani. But again, these Sakhis, they are given so much blissful to Radha Rani. My English is not good, So
also they're not different.
If some
Sakhis give pleasure to Radharani.
Yeah, but they are not different to Radharani. They are Radharani is the take the form, many forms. But again, these Sakhis they are given to so much love affection to Radharani. But this ras came from Radharani. Everything came from Radharani. But Radharani is the take the many forms. But again, this Lalita Vishakha they are given to pleasure to Radharani and Sri Krishna. Yeah, they are not different, but again they are given to also so much pleasure to Radharani. But Radharani is the original ras of everything. All ras came from to Srimati Radharani. But my English is not so good. You try understand. Yeah. So here telling Radha, Lalita Sakhi, she also sings some song, this melody also different of melody. One is this, this is the different is the melody. Yeah, telling this is Mangala Sri Guru Gaura Mangala Murati Mangala Sri Radha Krishna Yugala Piriti. This is the morning tune, this is the morning tune. But when evening tune, that different tune. Same kirtan. This is the same kirtan. This is the morning time is the different tune, and evening time is a different tune. But like this, when singing Gauranga Bolita Ve Pulak Sarir. When evening time, this is a different mood. And when morning time, there is the different tune is the morning time. That the same mood. So Lalita Sakhi, this song is the melody is the telling Bhairavi, Bhairavi Rag. Lalita, Bhairavi. See, so much like this is Bhairavi Rag. And another one also Rag, his name is the Kalingada. Yeah, Kalingada. This is the, who is the know this thing, they are know. But this is the different, this is the. And Lalita, what is this instrument? What is the, so much like to instrument? Instrument, we are telling. Like this Mridang.
Musical instrument?
Instrument. Kartal, Mridang, Dhari. But Lalita, who is the very, who is, we are telling. Instrument, he is so much like, he playing. Yeah? Yeah, Veena. Veena. Yeah. Veena? Yeah, said Veena. You tell truth. So her, she sees the playing very nice Veena, I saw Veena playing Veena, she is the so much playing nice Veena. So much like Veena, yeah. Telling Lalita, when she is the Nikunja Lila, when she do service to Radha Krishna in Nikunja, her age, Lalita, what is this always eternal age? Which age always she is situated? Always, her age is one age. She age
27 days more than Radhika.
No, 13 years and some.
Yeah, their age is the 13. Her age is always her age is the 14 and 3 months, 14 year and 3 months and 12 days. 13 year, 14 year, and this is the 2 and 33 month and 12 day. This is the eternal age of Lalita Sakhi. Always this age is the telling. Always is the telling. Is that age. ये इन्हीं के पिता के जो विशेष औदार्य गुण है इनको पूर्ण रूप में है. Telling some speciality of Sri Lalita. Yeah, speciality of Lalita. Telling the some speciality of Lalita is the what happening. Our Indian they are telling if father's quality came to daughter, this daughter is the very fortune. This is the very fortune, very lucky. If this father, and if mother's quality came to son, mother quality came to the son, and this son also very fortune, very lucky. Are you understand? Understand? Are you understand? What do you understand? He don't understand? Yeah?
Very fortunate.
Yeah. Are you understand? Yeah.
That if the qualities in the father become in the personality of the daughter, then the daughter is very fortunate. If the son The mother's qualities come in the son, and the son is also very fortunate.
Yeah. And telling this is the Lalita, this father's quality, came to this Lalita. So telling this father's name, you are heard this father's quality is the very very udar.
Magnanimous.
Magnet mein.
Big heart.
Yeah.
Magnanimous.
Yeah, this father's, So this quality came to Lalita. Then what happening? So Lalita, she is the very very merciful. She is the merciful. So this Lalita Ashtak, this Lalita Ashtak, they explain. If Lalita Sakhi, see, anyhow you understand this Braj Mandal, some gopis, there are some little bit love affection to Srimati Radharani. Yeah? If some Braj, some Sakhis, there are some little bit some love affection to Srimati Radharani. Then Lalita becomes so happy. Oh, she is so much like Radharani. This is the my line, meaning she is the my group. This is the my group. Yeah, and what happening? Our India some Ruchi Parikya what tell?
Ruchi Parikar.
Yeah. Ruchi Parikya. Test of this Ruchi,
Test, yeah,
What
test. Parika means test.
Ruchi.
To find out what your taste is.
Are you understand? Are you understand?
But
Ruchi
there
Parikya.
is a plate when they're given for children to choose different things. This is a
Or when they give,
Ruchi
yeah.
Yeah, this is the Ruchi Parikya. They are kept the different thing, and when this is the only crown. This is the crown. What crown? Crawling, crawl. That time there keeps different thing. Golden, some even, some flower, some. They are
Srimad
keep.
Bhagavatam.
See what tendency the child.
Yeah, tendency. When he touch something, they understand what is his future. What is his future? So when some Braj, some girl, when if Braj some took bath in Braj, then Lalita what she do? She takes some Radharani Prasadi cloth, She took this Prasadi cloth and keep there. There keep so many things. Also Lalita keeps some Radharani, some Prasadi, like this Radharani cloth, Radharani something. If this girl coming and touch to that thing, then Radharani, Lalita understand, oh, she the Sakhi of Radharani, this is the future, she is the Sakhi of Radharani. Then he gives so much tendency, so much affection to her. Why? She is my group. This is my Radharani group. Yeah? And she always try how she came to Radharani. Yeah? So Lalita, she is the very, very merciful, very, very merciful person. So merciful is the so Lalita Sakhi, And telling this Lalita Sakhi, there is the three prominent Sakhis, their guidance of this Lalita Sakhi. Three prominent Sakhi, they are always guidance of this Lalita. Her name, there are three special Sakhi. They are always guidance of Lalita Sakhi, they are full service. And the guide of Lalita Sakhi. There are three. Some special Sakhi there. Some special Sakhi. There are always guidance of Lalita. Yeah, Rupa Manjari. Yeah, Rupa. Why? Lalita, you are line of Lalita. You have line of Lalita. So you are Rupa, you are the follower of Rupanuga Gaudiya Vaishnava. You are following this Rupanuga. You are Rupanuga Gaudiya. So is the one is the there one is the Rupa Manjari. Yeah, there Rupa Manjari. Another is the Labang Manjari. Who? This is the Sanatana Goswami. Yeah, Sanatana Goswami. Rupa Manjari, the Rupa Goswami. And another is the Ananga Manjari. Yeah, she is the Ananga Manjari. Yeah, Ananga Manjari. So Radharani, this is the younger sister. Younger sister of Srimati Radharani. Yeah, there are three prominent Sakhi of Lalita, guidance of Lalita. They are doing service. Yeah, Ratna Bhavan. And this is the Inka arts. And Lalita, she have also different 8 Sakhis also. with the always guidance of Lalita, they are doing service. Yeah? There are 8 another Sakhis telling what is their name, telling one name with a Ratna Prabha, another name with the Rati Kala, third is the Subhadra, fourth is the Bhadra Rekhika, yeah? Fifth is the Sumukhi, sixth is the Dhanishta. You know Dhanishta? Yeah, Dhanishta Sakhi. When Radharani, when Krishna he took prasad, Dhanishta Sri bring this prasad, gave to Radharani. Yeah, Dhanishta Sakhi. And Mahaprabhu pastime, who is Dhanishta Sakhi?
Raghav Pandit.
Raghav Pandit. Raghav Pandit is Dhanishta Sakhi. Yeah. So, and another is the Kalahansi. And 8 is the Kalapini. They are Lalita, guidance of Lalita. There are 8 Sakhis. They are always, they are served to, guidance of Lalita, they are served to Radharani. They are line of the Lalita Sakhi. Okay. Bless Sri Lalita Sakhi ki. Bless Sri Lalita Sundari ki jai. But here telling Lalita, she has some special service. Lalita, what is the service? He gave tambour, he gave betel, but she have also another some special quality Lalita. You know what is plus?
Decorating with flowers, kunjas.
Yeah, she is the very expert to when making the kunja. You know, when is making the kunja, Radharani kunja. She is the very expert. You know, very expert making this flowers bed. This is the flower, you know, this is the umbrella, flower umbrella. Maybe you can look when this here is the when this is the summer season, Bhakya Bihari Radha Vallabh, you know, you can see they are making flower, decoration of flower. Maybe who is the know here they are know. How beautiful they are making, beautiful. So flower house. Maybe if you go Bhakya Bihari Radha Vallabh here also I can make when Gurudev, you know, birthday, I made here, appears day, disappears day, you are made a very nice flower in a kunja, flower kunja. So she is a very expert, very expert. But she have one very surprise quality. She is the no magician. What is it? Magician. Huh? Magician. She is a very magician. What is magician? Huh? Magic. She is very magic, you know. Lalita, she is very expert in magic. Yes, she is a magic. But which kind of magic? She always trying to cheat to Krishna. You know? She always try to, you know, why Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. You know, Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. He don't know everything. But Lalita, you know, he do to cheat to Krishna. But this is the ordinary thing. Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead. Not possible somebody cheat to Krishna. But Lalita, she do cheat to Krishna. And she is arranged to how, you know, cheat to Krishna, and with Krishna there he want made to Srimati Radharani. See the arrange how Radha Krishna there, each other they are made, you know. So is the very okay. Nitai Gaur Brahmanande. So, you know, Lalita, she have many pastimes. Lalita maybe she have so many pastimes. Okay? Evening time, if possible, evening time, you can try hearing some, her some more, some pastime, how she is arranging, how Radha Krishna they are meet there. And evening time, you try little bit listening some Radharani pastime. Okay? Time? Huh?
6 to 7.
Oh, tomorrow program is that, you know.